like my eggs. We got you. Need me some sriracha. Breakfast is served. What's the matter? This is how I make my coffee. Well guys, now that I'm fed and caffeinated, I can start getting ready for the day. And we're just gonna do a no makeup look today. Super simple, even simpler than my normal makeup routine. So let's get started. Baby wipe to wipe off any dirt and oil from cooking. Okay, and then today I'm gonna wear just a correcting primer as my foundation base. It's Clé de Paul's correcting cream veil. It's basically like a correcting cream. It barely has any coverage, but it just even out your skin tone really nicely. It is just perfect. I feel like it's even like coverage than a tinted moisturizer. So this would be great for your no makeup days. See how lightly? See this light coverage? And that's all I'm gonna wear today. But, just kidding. Do a little concealer. But I'm just gonna add a little concealer for my under eyes. Very light-handed. And I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. Everything is super natural. It's super simple today. It's my no makeup routine. Quickly fill in my brows. And then today's blush, we're using the Dior in Coral, number 4. Oh, I love this color on me. It's like a peachy color. Got in my bag, now I'm up. Made a couple transactions last week and now I'm lit as fuck. You don't know what to do, how to invest. And then for my eyes today, all I'm doing is just curling my lashes. So keeping it really no makeup. Try to take you out your situation, you just made a mess. You was playing checkers like you really playing chess. Getting rid of you, I swear, that's my biggest flex. Yeah, I thought you wait for me. Tell me you want me, I had to see. Okay, eyelashes are curled. I'm not gonna wear any mascara or liner today. No eye makeup. It's just gonna be like this. And then let's finish off with a little lippy. And I'm just gonna use a sheer lipstick. I know it's kind of red on camera, but it's not that red in person. So this is my final look. This is how I get ready in the morning. I get ready in the morning to start my day. Hope you guys enjoy this video and hope to see you in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to give me a like.